Yes, I use chrome sockets on an impact. You can go cry to mommy about it. How hot is that? Clutch is now disconnected. Alright folks, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be removing this top case of the transmission, or at least giving it a good hard try. So I haven't done this before, so I don't know what it's going to entail. Do know, first off though, these brakes have to come off, these brake pedals. And I already went around and loosened them off camera. There's one. There's two. Now we can do, we gotta go in here and disconnect the clutch linkage. I think I can do that by just undoing this here. No, because that attaches to it, so we have to go down into one of them. So we'll start with that one. Give that one a good old try. There we go. That pin out. Clutch is now disconnected. Alright, now that that's done, put this cover back on. I just pressure washed it, so that's why everything's all wet. Now we come back here, we got to take this plate off, back off our steering clutches. Yes, I use chrome sockets on an impact. You can go cry to mommy about it. Some asshole glued that on good. Hopefully I have a big enough wrench here for this. This here gets backed off. I think you knock this loose, if I can. Get the hammer. That one was handsomely tight. How hot is that? Not too bad. Okay, now it's burning. Alright, other side. Did it slip off or did it do something? It slipped off. Alright, so you got to back it out so that this big pointy thing comes out of that little bell crank. Alright, so we got these clutches backed out. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tip this cable rig, see if I can, all the way forward so that I can get the forks in back here. Well, it's not as far out of the way as I would like it to be, but I think it's enough, and I can pull this cable to the side like that. All right, now our next biggest problem, that bolt that no longer looks anything like a bolt. I got to come up with something. I think I'm gonna try just welding a nut to it. All right, guys, we are gonna have to cut this video here. It's ended up taking longer than I expected to try and get that top cover off the transmission. So we'll be back with a part 2 for removing the top cover on the transmission. We'll see you back then.